I'm Ava, and welcome to Korean Ladder, the radio lesson that helps Korean click one rung at a time.
안녕하세요. 하나입니다. 코리안 라더에 오신 걸 환영해요.
안녕하세요. 준호입니다. 오늘은 가까운 사람에게 자연스럽게 말하는 반말 명령을 배워요.
Here's my fear. If I tell a Korean friend, 이리 와, does that sound friendly? Or am I accidentally bossing people around?
좋은 질문이에요. 이리 와 can be warm with a close friend, but rude to a stranger or someone older unless you are already very close.
So today, the key is not just grammar. It is grammar plus relationship.
오늘의 패턴은 반말 명령이에요. In English, casual commands like come, eat, do it, and don't do it.
The positive command often uses the plain a or shape. 와, 먹어, 해. Short, direct, casual.
For don't, use 지마 after the verb stem. 하지마 means don't do it.
So this is not the polite form like 우세요 or 드세요. This is the casual friend version.
맞아요. 와 is casual. 오세요 is polite. Both can be kind, but they fit different relationships.
First example. 이리 와. It means come here. You can say it to a close friend, a younger sibling, or a pet. 와 둘이 찌양 그드는. 여친구의 드드는 와부 or a pet.
이리 means here, this way. 와 is the casual command form of 오다, to come.
Next. 밥 먹어. It means eat your meal or eat some food. Natural and casual.
먹어 comes from 먹다, to eat. In casual speech, it can be a command, eat.
Next. 빨리 해. It means do it quickly or hurry up and do it. 빨리 adds speed.
해 comes from 하다, to do. In 반말, 해 can mean do it. 해
Now the negative command. 하지마. It means don't do it.
The pattern is verb, stem, 지마. 먹지마 means don't eat. 가지마 means don't go.
Let me reason this out. If 먹어 is eat, then 먹지마 is don't eat.
맞아요. Very good. For negative commands, don't use 안 before the verb here. Say 먹지 마, not 안 먹어 as a command.
안 먹어. Usually means I don't eat or someone doesn't eat, depending on context. It is not the clean command, don't eat.
To soften a casual command, you can add 좀. 이리 좀 와 means come here for a second or please come here casually.
좀 does not make it formal. It just makes the casual command softer, less abrupt.
So 빨리 is stronger like hurry. 좀 is softer like for me or a bit.
맞아요. 빨리 와 can sound urgent or impatient. 빨리 좀 와 is still casual, but a little softened.
Listen to a short French-style dialogue. The card will show the Korean lines and the meaning.
준호야, 이리 좀 와.
왜?
이거 봐. 근데 만지지 마.
알았어. 빨리 해.
Notice 준호야. The 야 after a name is a casual way to call someone you are close to.
And 만지지 마 means don't touch. 만지다 is to touch. And 지마 makes it don't touch.
Okay, repeat after me time. I'll try the casual friend version. 이리 와.
좋아요. 이리 와. Keep wa light, not too long.
이리 좀 와.
좋아요. 이리 좀 와. The 좀 is gentle, but do not stretch it too much.
빨리 해.
완벽해요. 빨리 해. This is direct, so use it only where that directness is okay.
하지 마.
좋습니다. 하지 마. The 친구야, 하지 마. 지마 par is the don't command.
Common mistake check. Can I say 오세요 to my close friend? It's polite, so it must always be safer, right?
오세요 is respectful, so it is safe with strangers or older people. But with a close same-age friend, it can sound distant, joking, or strangely formal.
The opposite mistake is more serious. Using 와 to a teacher, boss, stranger, or older person can sound rude.
So choose by relationship. Close friend, 와. Respectful situation, 오세요.
Quiz time. Your older neighbor drops something and you want to say, please don't touch it yet. Which is best?
The answer is B. 만지지 마세요. It is the polite don't command, so it fits an older neighbor.
만지지 마 is grammatically correct, but too casual for that situation. 안 만져 sounds like I don't touch it, not please don't touch it.
Second quiz. You're texting a very close friend who is late. Which sounds most natural and casual?
The answer is A. 빨리 와. It is casual and direct, so it fits a close friend.
If you want to soften it, say 빨리 좀 와. Still casual, but less sharp. 정리해 볼게요. 첫째, 가까운 친구나 어린 사람에게는 와, 먹어, 해처럼 짧은 반말 명령을 써요. In English, with close friends or younger people, use short casual commands like come, eat, do it.
둘째, 하지 마, 먹지 마, 가지 마처럼 지마를 붙이면 don't do that라는 뜻이 돼요. In English, add 지마 to the verb stem for a casual don't command.
셋째, 좀은 말을 조금 부드럽게 해요. 이리 좀 와 sounds softer than 이리 와. In English, 좀 is a casual softener, like for a sec or please, but still casual.
넷째, 모르는 사람이나 윗사람에게는 와, 하지 마를 바로 쓰지 마세요. In English, use polite forms like 오세요 and 하지 마세요 when respect is needed.
My keeper sentence is 이리 좀 와. Casual, close, and a little softer than just come here.
오늘은 이 한 문장만 기억하세요. 이리 좀 와. Use it only with someone close.
다음에는 가자, 먹자처럼 친구에게 레스를 말하는 법을 배워요. Thanks for climbing with Korean Ladder.